Hey guys, welcome back to another PS4 tutorial video. So we have a new jailbreak for PS4 version 11.00. So in this video I will be showing you how you can jailbreak your PS4 on the highest version 11.00 and telling you the method for this jailbreak to work properly. So let's start. First go to the network setting and make sure your network is connected. Now click on setup internet connection and click on LAN cable. Now plug one end of the LAN cable in your PS4 and the other end in your computer or laptop. This will help to jailbreak the PS4. Now click on custom and then on PPOE. Now put any user ID or password and then press next. Now click on auto again, auto, and don't use it. Now go to your PC or laptop for the jailbreak. You need these files, link in the description. Just download it. Now plug your USB in and format it as exFAT. Now copy paste the goldenhen.bin file in the USB. This will help you to install the pkg file in your PS4. Now run the ppwn and drag the stage2 file in the payload and click run exploit. After it says loading, go to your PS4 and click on the test internet connection. It takes some time to jailbreak. As you can see, it says goldenhen version 2.4 v11.00 loaded. Now your PS4 is completely jailbreak on the version 11.00. So let's run the game. As you can see, it run and the game is working fine. Next time when you again on the PS4, you will have to repeat this process again for the jailbreak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.
Welcome to Paris, 47. The show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite. You will find Viktor Novikov Margolis hosts the heavily guarded auction on the second floor for a group of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity, but I trust your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
Full and impossible to ignore.